Hey guys, it's Alex Creator. Welcome to my channel. My desire is helping purpose-driven content creators grow on YouTube. I show how to get more Instagram followers, get more views and get more subscribers on YouTube in 2021. On this channel you'll find the latest social media growth strategies and the fast ways to grow your YouTube channel. So let's jump to the video. But first, do me a favor by subscribing for more interesting videos like this. Today I'm going to show you how to get more Instagram followers this 2021. As you can see, I open a new account for this tutorial with 0 followers. Now let's get started. Open your Chrome browser or any other browser. This is how the website looks like. As you can see, 5 followers and 20 likes free. In few minutes I will tell you the name of the website that will gain you the real followers. Just type in your username. Then click on Get 5 followers and 20 likes free. Boom. As you can see, you are expected to get 5 followers in 30 minutes. You can also purchase 1,000 or more Instagram followers for cheap price. Any amount you like to have. Now let's check if it works. Wow, as you can see we got 4 followers. It really works. The name of the website is popularup.com. As you can see, they are real followers. Thanks for watching the video. Try it now to get up to 1K followers free. Please subscribe for more information on YouTube tips and other social media tips too. As you can see, more followers are still coming. Thank you for watching.